Every unique part uploaded to Fictiv is analyzed by our proprietary computational geometry engine. This analysis provides the underlying data for our manufacturability analysis, pricing engine, and quality documentation. Our pricing engine takes into account historical data and real-time manufacturing simulation to calculate a matrix of quantity, lead time, and location variables to price each part. Our design for manufacturability engine leverages a sophisticated rule system to review thousands of features on each individual part to determine if it's manufacturable. Once the analysis is complete, our workflow software allows an engineer to review the DFM analysis and recommendations to optimize for their desired part requirements. And not only is Fictiv able to analyze 3D models, our proprietary software also programmatically extracts text encoding embedded in 2D drawings. We then create 5 virtual drawing layers: the original drawing, the detected requirements, annotations added to the drawing using our software tools, quality inspection points, and an anonymized version of the drawing to protect intellectual property. Once ordered, the Fictiv platform creates a production work package ready for manufacturing. This package is intelligently and securely matched to one of our available manufacturing partners in the US or overseas for production. Fictiv is the industry's only SOC 2 certified platform to protect customer IP across all aspects of our digital application, infrastructure, and partner network. Once a partner is identified and production has begun, our customers can track the status of their parts. This is made possible through our proprietary software deployed at our manufacturing partner facilities. Photos and inspection reports can also be reviewed by customers prior to shipping. To ensure conformance to requirements, each manufactured part is reviewed by a Fictiv supplier quality engineer. The result? A cloud-based supply chain for custom parts operating at 1/10 the cost and 10 times the speed, delivering complete transformation to your product innovation workflow.